Here we go, guys, with this new adventure, the speed bag. Let's see how far this journey is gonna take us. And let's start by building our own speed bag platform. And we're gonna try to spend as little as possible as usual, but first please take a second to hit subscribe to help the channel. Let's start by buying two round wood panels, 24-inch diameter, 1 inch thick at Home Depot, and glue them together with some Gorilla Ultimate Wood glue. Link is in the description, very strong glue. Distribute the glue evenly on one of the panels, use the whole 18 ounces. Put the second panel on top and center it with the bottom one. Put at least 100 pounds of weight on top to squeeze the discs together. Clean up the glue that it's gonna come out from the sides and leave everything there for at least 24 hours to dry. While the glue is drying, on the wall where you wanna put your platform, draw a perfectly horizontal line about 4 inches higher than the top of your head. On the line, mark where you want the center of your platform to be, and then draw two perfectly vertical lines, 5 inches on the right of the center and 5 inches on the left. Now we're gonna need the two heavy-duty shelf brackets, 12 by 20 inches, link is in the description as well, and on the short side, the one that goes to the wall, we're gonna drill an extra hole, so that we can mount them on the wall with 4 anchors each. Then, to reduce the vibration that the platform transmits to the wall, we're gonna cover the same short side externally with the insulating tape. And align the brackets horizontally to the horizontal line and vertically to the vertical line, and mark the holes where we're gonna put the anchors. And at each mark, drill a size 8 hole. We're gonna use 8 size 12 wall driller plus, link is in the description as well. Insert one in each hole. Very firmly and tight mount the brackets with the short arm on the wall. And the day after, when the glue has dried, remove the weights and let's find the center of the platform. Get a piece of rope, hold it on one side of the disc, and with the rope in your other hand, go around the disc up until you find the thickest part, which is the diameter. The piece of rope that now is in your hand, divide it in half, you have the radius, and then with the radius go around the circumference and mark the center. Measure 5 inches from the center and draw a line at 5 inches, and then top and bottom of that line mark 10 inches and draw another line so that it's parallel to the first, exactly 10 inches apart. Hold the platform against the brackets, align it with the lines that you just draw, and put 3 screws on each bracket. And then find the center of the platform on the bottom as we did for the top. We're gonna start practicing with a Tidal Super Speed Bag 6 by 9 inches mid-size ball, perfect for all the exercises that we need to do. Good quality and fair price, about $50. Link is in the description as well. Inflated at about 2 psi. You need to be able to push the bag inside with your thumb without too much effort. And we're gonna start with an Evo 14 MP Thrasher House Swivel. Amazing product, designed by an amazing person which really cares about punch drumming. Fair price, extremely good quality, perfect for every exercise. Link is in the description as usual. We're gonna talk a lot more about the Thrasher House and Jeff Thrasher and his teaching method later on in the videos. Place the swivel support at the center mark that we did, mark the 4 holes and drill 4 size 2 holes in the wood so you don't risk cracking it. Insert the swivel ball inside the swivel support, and then screw in the swivel with the 4 screws that comes with it very smoothly, little bit each screw at a time, so you don't risk forcing the swivel support in sideways and breaking it. Pass the T-hook, the little rope hook that comes with the swivel, inside the ball D-loop and then inside the swivel ring, and fix it with the knob that is got, and we're done. And we're ready to start learning punch drumming. Guys, as usual, please, if you like the videos, subscribe to help the channel.